Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Rainbow Six Siege synchronization failed. So the first step what you need to do here, you need to open a browser and then you just need to write server status R6 and press on the first link here. And then you need to look if there is no problems on game itself servers. So as you can see here, in this case, there is a lot of problems. So I just need to wait until the problem is fixed. But for you, if you're watching the video where there is no problems, then that's what you need to do. First of all, you need to go to ubisoft.com and log into your account on the top right. Then click on your profile here and then go to account management. Then we need to wait for a couple of seconds, go to security, and then look if you enable two-factor authentication, because commonly with this error occurs when you do not enable 2FA. So first complete 2FA, set up everything and then try the game. And if the game still not work, open up your Ubisoft Connect app on your PC, then press on your profile here and log out from your Ubisoft Connect account, right? Next up, what you need to do here after you logged out, you need to open up Steam. Just simply go on Steam, then look for Rainbow Six Siege, right click on it, go to properties, and then install files and verify integrity of the game files. And then you need to wait until this process is done. And after files successfully validated, then you need to launch Rainbow Six Siege, but do not log in with your Ubisoft account. On Steam, just hit play and wait until you should get then a prompt to log into Ubisoft account. Okay, we just need to wait then. You should get a pop-up basically to log into your Ubisoft Connect. So connect with your account. And after you log in, the game should launch. And after that, you should not be getting any errors related to synchronization. Okay. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.